Hi friends, let's begin drawing a Bunsen burner. To draw the whole diagram, you will need a short ruler. Follow along carefully. Start by drawing a vertical line. Next, draw two shorter vertical lines on either side. Extend the shorter line slightly, then add two more short lines. At the top, above the long vertical line, draw two short vertical lines. Extend them upwards, creating an elongated section. Now, connect all these lines to form the main structure of the burner. Draw an oval at the top of the burner tube. Add a small curved line inside the oval. Extend the curved line upwards and connect it with another curved line to form the junction between the base and the burner tube. The gas inlet and stopcock should be aligned on the same level. Draw small lines to form the threads of the screw. Next, draw a long straight line, then two parallel straight lines. Add the stopcock adjuster, which acts as the on/off knob. Sketch small lines for the threading on the knob. Shade the tube lightly for a realistic effect. Use a black pen to outline the top of the burner. Draw two curved lines to represent the gas tube. Connect the base to the burner tube. For the base, draw a large oval. Add another slightly larger oval on top to create depth. Draw two vertical lines extending down from the base and connect them with a curved line to form a solid stand. Shade the base if desired. The flame has a long raindrop shape. Inside it, draw a smaller raindrop shape to represent the middle zone of the flame. Shade the flame using blue and gray tones. Color the burner tube with a yellow pencil for contrast. Once the drawing is complete, label all the important parts. Now, let's start labeling the parts. For labeling, use a short ruler to mark the important points of each part. Draw a small arrow at the edge of each line to indicate the labels clearly. We'll start from the top. 1. Inner-outer zone. 2. Middle zone. 3. Innermost zone. Next, label the following parts: airflow adjustment, stopcock. On the left side, label burner tube, gas stove, base. Finally, write the title, Bunsen Burner, at the top. Keep practicing to improve your sketching skills. See you in the next drawing session.